So Sam just measured the window at 72 inches. So I'm gonna cut this at 78 just to be safe, so it sticks over the window 3 inches and 3 inches at the bottom. And then we'll tape the top and then the pig ear corners. So I'll cut 2 strips at 78 right there. That we're using a Typar tape because it's clear. We like using the Typar clear tape because when you tape the window, you can see to make sure that the installers did the install correctly by caulking behind the nail flange and then nailing. So you'll see right here. This tape, acrylic tape, and other tapes as well, they should be rolled to activate the adhesion further. This tape is super sticky, but as he's doing that, it's just activating the adhesion in the tape. That window is 36 inches wide, so I'm gonna go about 4 inches past on each side, maybe 5.
45.
45. And you want this to stick past on the sides. And you want this to go under the house wrap like that. So you want this tape to adhere directly to the sheathing. Ideally, right where the cut is on the corner. I want this cut at a 45 like we showed you guys already. And you can see the reason we use the clear is to make sure that the installers put the caulk around the opening per Marvin's specifications.
Nailing.
Yep, the nailing flange, you can make sure that the nails are nailed where they're supposed to be, so every other. Make sure this is adhered to the sheathing. And then you'll bring this over top. And then you tape the corners. So then right here, after we fold the house wrap back down, I'm gonna nail kinda high. Tight, and then we'll tape the corners right here. Just make sure when you cut this tape that this tape is long enough to cover the cut that you made, which should be roughly 6 inches. I take it right to the corner of the window and all the way up the cut. As you can see the cut right there. So you can see the tape is covering the entire cut right there. Now, if we are installing a window that doesn't already have you see the built-in drip cap right here on top of this window? This is a Marvin window. Marvin windows come with this built-in drip cap, which is awesome. If you are installing, for instance, a vinyl window, vinyl windows don't come in with the built-in drip cap. Most of the time, it just depends on the manufacturer, or any other windows, it depends on the manufacturer. If we're installing a window that's not Marvin, we need to put drip cap under this house wrap and flashed over the window. But because this window already has a built-in drip cap right here, as you can see, you don't need to do that. We will put drip cap over the trim additionally, but for the window itself, because this has a built-in drip cap, we don't need to put drip cap above this window. If the window does not have a built-in drip cap, we need to put drip cap over the window. Make sure the vertical leg of that drip cap tucks under the house wrap. So you would tape first, drip cap under, drip cap over, just like this, and still tape the sides. And that is how you flash around a window properly. First you do the sides, Then you do the top. The top needs to have tape over the sheathing, not the house wrap. All the way across, it needs to extend past the side legs. Untack your house wrap, tape the sides, and wherever we tack that house wrap, we need to put an additional piece of tape because there's a hole now in the house wrap. So I'll just cut a small piece of tape right here. One place. So tape over that. Tape over this now. And I'm just pushing the tape to make sure it activates the adhesion. And that is how you properly flash a window. Side legs, upper, under the house wrap. Untack the house wrap, put it over. Tape the pig ear such that the tape extends past the cut and as close to the corner of the window as possible.